Today we're looking at the Moxie 2022 planner, and I also got their quarterly goal setting companion notebooks just to check them out, and their stickers. Now, I've never ordered Moxie in the past because honestly they were kind of plain and blah looking. I mean, they still are, and so every time I saw them I was like, whatever. But there's like this huge community of Moxie crazy people who just love this system. So every year I was like, and then finally this year I was like, all right, fine, I will check them out in real life and see how they are. So it did come in this plain brown box. There's no special packaging or anything on it, which is fine. So live your best life with us at MakseLife, goal setting and planner system from Sierra Friend. I don't know if that's her real name or she just has that there, like I'm your friend. I don't know, but either way, very catchy last name. All right, so we got some paper. Great. Let's just take this out. So I say we look at the main event first, which is the planner. So this planner was I think that was the other thing too. It was like ungodly expensive. It was like $76. And I guess because I thought it was kind of plain looking, and the covers, I was like, they're kind of ugly. So I was like, why would I pay that for this planner? But finally this year I just gave in. Anyways, this is a very pretty box. It's like what they call like a gift box. I don't want to say like a memory box, I guess, or keepsake or whatever, but I do like spirals, so I am excited about that. Now this is the Chevron 12-month goal setting and weekly planner. I wanted the dated one. I am not a fan of undated planners, so we got a nice chipboard here. We have a tiny little heart. This was the design I hated the least, so that's the one I picked out. And they have a very huge, this is like massively thick. I don't even know. You're like gonna break your back carrying this around. All right, so it had a nice elastic strap. It has a cute little stripes on the inside. And let's see, does it have it on the back? Oh, it has a pocket folder on the back. And look at that, it has the little MakseLife, I guess, logo. Is that their logo on the back? And we got some stickers on the back page, but no spoilers, will go in order. All right, so your name. I do know my name. I do know my phone number. I do know my email. So we got some easy questions right out of the box. All right. For additional resources and free downloads, dear friend, I'm so glad you're here. Oh, Sierra Friend. So I guess that is truly her last name. What is Moxie? I thought like this original spelling, Moxie, like I thought that's what it was. I don't know what this is. Energy, pep, courage, determination, know-how. I don't know. Like I saw that and I was like, is this a Swedish company? But I think I saw she's like in a suburb in Illinois or something like that. All right. Getting started. I think this is what people really like. They really like this system that she has going on here. Getting from where you are to where you desire to be doesn't require you to be, do, or take on more. The key to a more satisfying life is creating a consistent habit of designing how you spend your time and filling it with what matters most to you. The best support you in this, your life systems need to be accessible, simple, actionable, repeatable. All right, so I am extremely happy. I did not see the SMART acronym. We all know how much I hate that acronym. Okay, weekly notes pages, weekly tips, gratitude heart, habit tracking, compass assessment. I never get these compass assessments. I feel like people just stick these in planners because they're like, I see everybody else sticking that in. All right, setting intentions, goals and vision, monthly goals, weekly action, monthly reflections. Okay, so nothing new. Compass assessment. Establish a starting point, evaluate life as a whole, embrace growth. I'm just going to go out on a limb here and just say, I'm just not a fan of the compass, only because everybody uses the compass. I'm sick of seeing the compass. All right, consider what you would like to score yourself in each area of life. So 1 through 10. So in theory, the whole compass is filled and you are a perfect 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different areas. Again, I think this is way too many things to try to focus on. Assessment scoring, because I mean, maybe it's just me. I get overwhelmed. Like, I'm like, oh my God, I have to do this entire list every single day. Are you kidding? So let's just think about today. So my basic needs are taken care of. Yes. I generally feel happy and fulfilled. Yes. I have a positive attitude and outlook on life. Yes. I give myself grace for my limits and imperfections. I regularly take time for life planning, reflection, and self-care. I'm comfortable spending time alone. There are hobbies and interests I engage in regularly. There are personal goals or projects that I want to complete or achieve. Okay, so yes to all of those. Fun and recreation, work and learning, family and relationships, health and wellness. Let's look at this one. I take care of my physical, mental, and emotional health. I try. I eat well and drink plenty of water. Again, I like try some days. I get a sufficient amount of sleep. That is true. I have a regular exercise routine. That's true. I have a healthy self-image. I have healed from any stress or trauma I've experienced. Is anybody fully healed? I feel strong in body, heart, and mind. That's like a meh. I'm equipped to handle life's events with strength and vitality. So I guess I'd give myself, I don't even know, it doesn't even tell you, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I guess everything is out of 8. So that would be like, I don't know, none of those, like 2. All right, so questions for all those. I do like that. That was a good page. Intentions. What could I use more of my life in these? What could I use less of? So many questions. Okay, my word for 22, setting goals, committing to goals, reviewing goals. You know what I don't like about most planners? They're just really wordy. Like, you could break it up with like, this is a nice breakup. Just more like graphics or shapes. I'm just like pontificating now. Okay, so here we go. Clean my garage this weekend. Get rid of clutter. Leave my phone in the kitchen at night. Don't be on my phone before bed. I mean, I feel like both of those are okay. Check email only on weekdays. Stop checking email on the weekends. I don't know, potato. So I think this is just trying to say don't write things in a negative manner. Try to focus on the positive things, I guess you could do. I'm not really sure. All right, so setting goals. Let's see, your long-term vision, chunk them into your annual goals, your weekly goals. Yeah. Everyone gets that. All right, use this space to create a mind map. I can't draw. Let's see, annual goals for all those different, for all 8 areas. Again, way overwhelmed. Vision board, I can't draw. Goal setting tips, make this space your own. And then, okay, so now we have January. So now we're going to get right into the planner. So it looks like we have a 2-page monthly spread, room to write notes here on the right. Again, I'm really a fan of notes on the left now, just because I'm right-handed. It's like hard to write here where like your hand is falling off the edge of the page. But you know, that's okay. We've got the next month over here. And we have those 8 areas again. And then we have weekly actions in all 8 areas. And then we have a vertical spread, which, as you may or may not know, I'm a huge fan of vertical spreads that start on a Monday. So I do really like this. And it's kind of empty. So there's no times, there's no blocks. Habits over here. And so you have, wow, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 habits. That's a lot of habits to focus on every single day. But weekly actions for the next week, and then your, I guess, schedule or whatever you want to put in there. All right, so we basically just rinse and repeat every week. Every single week, you have to work on all 8 areas. Again, I would get so overwhelmed with this planner. I'd just be like, I cannot do all of these things. And even if I did put a plan for 8 different areas of my life, I don't know that I would get to all 8 areas of my life. And then I would just feel like a failure. I for sure would not get 7 habits. I guess I am not living a Moxie life. All right, so we have the monthly reflections. We got a page here. We got February. Did we get a quote for January? Oh, just begin. Trust yourself more. No one benefits when you play small. Progress, not perfection. Sound like cultivate what matters. Do it scared. Learn to rest, not quit. When you feel better, you do better. Choose what helps your heart bloom. Own your story. Enjoy the journey. Master your mindset. Stay curious. Invest in your future self. Okay, so now we have extras. Was there anything else for the end of the year? All right, so we get the monthly reflection. The only thing extra you get at the end of the year is a quarterly compass, and that's it, which we all know I hate the compass, but I guess if it said quarterly, there should be one at the end of September. And there is one at the end of September. So I would definitely, here's the thing. I feel like I would feel like a loser with this planner. I just think this is too many areas to focus on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 areas. I thought I counted 7. No, it's 8 areas that all have to be perfect every single week. Like they want you to work on this every week. And I'm not about balance. I think balance is like really what drives a lot of people crazy. So anyways, I do like that it has some colors in it. What else do I like? I like the 2-page monthly spread. I guess as long as you get an American planner, it's usually fine. I like the vertical weekly layout. And that's kind of it. Again, I mean, was this worth 78 or 76 or whatever they charge dollars? I mean, I'm going to say no, but I'm glad I got it so I could check it out. All right. So what else did I get? I got a sticker book. So let's look at the sticker book. Hopefully that'll be a little bit more fun. Have something exciting in there. Why can't I open this? I don't know why. I can't figure this out. So the sticker book, how much was that? That was going to be, I don't even know how much I paid for this. Oh, $20 for this sticker book, which is kind of pricey. Most sticker books are not that expensive. Let's see, what's inside here? So we have dots. We got more dots. We got more dots and dots. Okay. We've been dotted out. We have, I guess, rectangles and more rectangles and more rectangles and some more rectangles. Now we have different shapes of rectangles. Some of them have a heart in them. I guess only special ones. We get 2 pages of more rectangles. And then we got some pages of, oh, these are like itty bitty, teeny tiny, minuscule dots. I couldn't even place this on a page. I'm going to have to get out, what do you call it? The tweezers. See, it's crooked. I'm not a fan of tiny dots. I'm going to go ahead and go out on a limb and say, I'm not really a fan of these stickers. I can't believe this was $20. That's insane to me. All right. Moving on, let's go on to, they have these quarterly notebooks because there's nowhere to write inside of that weekly planner, even though it is ginormous and super heavy and super thick. So these were supposed to be goal setting quarterly notebooks that you can write in. These are really teeny tiny. Okay, so getting started. Getting from where you are to where you desire to be doesn't require you to be, do, or take on more. Are you sure about that? Because it looked like you wanted us to do 8 different things every single week. Let's see, compass, intentions, goals. Okay, just a rinse and repeat of what we saw in the big planner, the compass that I'm not a fan of. And okay, then we go into assessment scoring. So we saw that. I did like that. Intentions, goal setting goals, 3 types of goals: stretch, progress, maintenance goals. I don't know if it's maintenance goal really a thing. Things to consider when writing goals. I do like this. That's like a good suggestion over here. I like this list. Annual goals. Okay, again, with the 8 areas for your annual goals. Your vision board. I can't draw. I really hate this. Like, this is really like for people who are illustrators. I am not an illustrator. Okay, so basically it's a repeat of what we saw in the big planner. And then we have, I'm guessing, 4 different colors and notebooks. Good things are coming, dare to dream, just begin, and hold on to your vision. So inside of here, we have our undated monthly 2-page spread. We have the monthly goals for those 8 areas, weekly goals for those 8 areas. Again, a blank page, weekly goals for those 8 areas. And then that's it. Oh, no, that's not true. And then you get 1 page to write notes, and then you get to shoot. So I don't know why these were called notebooks. I swear these were called notebooks, right? Quarterly notebooks. Whereas when I think of, oh, I see, quarterly goal setting companion notebooks, I guess in case you screw up a month. Oh, I see. It has perforated pages. So then you could, I guess, take these out and put this in here. Although this is a significantly different size than the pages that are over here. So yeah, where's my weekly? So those are my monthly actions. Okay, weekly actions. So I guess you could stick this there. Or I guess this is just if you want something smaller to carry around your purse because this is so ginormous. So these aren't really notebooks. There is no place to really write notes in here. Oh, it does have a pocket folder at the back. I don't know what would fit in here. It's so tiny, but all right. So it looks like, I bet, these rinse and repeat. Yep. Month 1, month 2, and month 3. So these are notebook size-ish. I don't know what I would call these planners, undated planners. I would not have called these notebooks. I really thought these were just going to be notebooks with like writing space. So that's a surprise. All right, so these were $56. Again, I just think that the Moxie stuff is way overpriced. I know everyone who loves them is probably going to put a bunch of hate comments down here, but I think they're overpriced. I'm just going to say it. Functional stickers. I wouldn't emphasize the fun. I don't think there's anything fun about dots and squares and rectangles. These, again, 56 seems way overpriced for what you get, especially there's no room to write. And also this planner for 76. And I don't usually say that. I'm not like, I sound like I hate them. I don't hate them. I just always thought they were just overpriced for what you got. But let me know. There is a huge cult following around this. People like that. I think some people do want to focus on 8 different areas every week. And I guess I'm just not team focused a ton of stuff and balance maybe. All right, remember, if you would like to make your own planner, make sure to sign up for my free course, Planner 101. I hope everyone's having a fabulous day, and I'll talk to you later.